How to turn on or turn off TalkBack on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility, then tap on TalkBack. Now at the top here, tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Here it says check your language settings. So you can choose your language settings for TalkBack by tapping on settings. In there, you can go to text to speech to change the language. Now tap on OK.
TalkBack on.
Then tap
Allow
on.
TalkBack to make and manage phone calls. Allow.
So I will allow that.
Navigate up button. Home. One
So
UI
if you're
home.
on the home screen,
Cloudy morning in pager.
you can
double tap to activate.
You can swipe down at the top to open up the menu with two fingers like this.
Quick settings. Amasim out of pager.
Tap on the settings icon once.
Button.
Then double tap.
Settings. Search settings.
Now scroll down using two fingers.
Double tap.
Swipe up like this. It has to be two fingers. And then tap on the accessibility item once to select it.
Accessibility, vision, hearing, dexterity, 24 of 28.
Now double tap.
28 item. Accessibility. Navigate
then
up. Button.
Tap on TalkBack once.
TalkBack.
Then double tap.
9. TalkBack. Navigate up. Button. Out of list.
Then tap on the talk button once. And then double tap on it to turn it off. Now tap on the turn off button once to select it. Then double tap to switch it off. If it's on, you can also try to use Bixby. If you've got Bixby, you can ask Bixby to turn off TalkBack as well. Turn off TalkBack. So here we use Gemini to see.
I can't help with that.
So Gemini doesn't like to help turning off some settings on your phone. So we need to activate Bixby other ways. So let's try to double tap. So double press will activate the camera. So we need to assign a shortcut to the button so that you can turn on Bixby. Okay, so we have changed the settings. So if I long press on this button, it will open up Bixby. Turn off TalkBack.
Close Bixby. Out of TalkBack. It's now off.
Now you can also say, "Hey Bixby, turn on TalkBack." So you can use Bixby by saying, "Hey Bixby, hey Bixby, turn on TalkBack."
I need your permission to do that. Should I continue?
Yes. Yes.
I turned it on. Home.
Hey Bixby, turn off TalkBack.
It's now off.
And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.